Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets iPhone tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to easily turn on or off emergency broadcast on your iPhone. So this can include Amber Alerts, local government alerts, public safety alerts, and then even weather alerts. This will either turn them on so that you receive them or disable them and turn them off so that they no longer wake you up or annoy you with loud noises. So the first thing we need to do to get started is simply open up the settings on our iPhone. Once we're in the settings, all we need to do is find notifications, go ahead and open that up, and then in notifications scroll all the way down to the bottom. At the bottom you'll see government alerts, and this is where we can turn on or off government alerts on our phone. So they're separated into three categories. First you have Amber Alerts, then you have emergency alerts, and then public safety alerts. You turn these alerts on or off by simply changing the toggle switch right here to gray to turn them off or to green to turn them on. Alright, so that's how you turn off government alerts such as Amber Alerts, weather alerts, and emergency alerts on your iPhone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more iPhone tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.